Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the window and the window regulator from the Honda S2000. As our cars get older, stuff breaks. In this case, the window regulator cable snapped and I need to replace it. If you need to know how to remove the door panel, please see the link below in the description or in the corner, which I'll show you in another video. Now let's start with removing the window.
Now we're gonna want to remove this, and here these two, we got 3 screws, and that's going to get us into it. Now you technically don't have to if you don't want to. So now just unbuckle right here and right here. And then we could easily do that. Here, to get better access, by doing so, I also broke the piece, but I got the tape out. Next piece, we're gonna need to disconnect the regulator, and then we're gonna, as you see, the window is bad. We're gonna need to mark here all the positions with a Sharpie, and we're gonna need a 14. So the first thing, I want to remove the window. We got our bump stop here. We're gonna remove. That's 10 mil. All right. Just gently put it right here. We're gonna move it down to here. Next up, we need to get this window up. We're gonna put a little help, something to adjust. So we got 3 bolts. One here, and one here we gotta remove. Okay, now. Now we're gonna go slide gently. Next to do here as well, just go around with your Sharpie. Oops. Make sure, because these are going to be used for the alignment. And now we got 1 and 2 Sharpies, and we're going to loosen these bolts up. Just keep them loose. Okay, so then we're gonna get to the other bolts. So we got 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna have a 4 hex and a 12 to break that. Okay, there we go. And that's it. We will move to the bottom. And now just unplug this. It's a little plug. Perfect. And we have where that goes to the bottom, and we can see cable cut.
If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more content like this. As always, make sure to comment below on any new types of videos you like to see or projects done to the S2000.